Okay, so today we're going to look at a few NESs that I have here that are in need of some care. I'm not sure which ones are working, which ones are, which ones aren't. Um, I guess we're just going to roll right into a test here and see if I can't get something up on the screen. Okay, so I've got this one here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's surprising. I can't believe that worked right off the bat. Wow. Okay, so that's that one. That one seems to be working. Okay, let's try this bottom one here. Oh, okay, that one works too. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so these two are working. That's great. I'll have to mark that down. Let's go with this one and then this one. Okay, I have this one all hooked up. Let's see what happens. Oh, looks like this is a working one too here. Obviously these are filthy and need to be cleaned. Okay, but I do see that that one is working. Let me just see if I can get that to come up on screen. Okay, yeah, this one's just really dirty, but it does work. Now let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one here. I should probably just take that front cover off here. Not sure where I received this one from, but... Oh, wow, we don't even have... Okay, so this one is literally missing every screw possible. I see that player 1 and 2 are disconnected. Looks like the power is disconnected as well. Okay, let me put this back together and let me see if this one works. Okay, I got this one put back together. I just put the power cable in. I left the player 1 and player 2 out. I can test that later. I can tell inside here already that this is just absolutely filthy. Oh, it does power. Oh. You know what? That purple screen, that could indicate a RAM problem. Can I get it to change color at all? Oh! Okay. Let's see if I can get this one to show something. Okay, I can actually get it to show a solid color here, but that's pretty much it. This may be... Oh. Okay, that could be a RAM issue, but it also could be a PPU issue as well. And I mean, it's solid. Yep, that to me looks like it could be a video RAM error. Oh, it could be a work RAM, I guess. Okay, well, looks like I'm going to have to tear this one down even more, get into it, see if there's any cold solder joints around any of the RAM and CPU, PPU, and see what's going on. Okay, well, I got it out of its shell. And what we're going to do here, we're just going to see if we can get the same things going on here. Of course, that's because it's not held down. I'm just going to hold it down here a bit and see if I can't get the same results. Let me get something to hold this down. once I find the proper position and see if I can't get something to happen here. Okay, I'm just going to hold it down with a bunch of CDs here. Let's see what happens. Oh, did you see? Oh, see, here we go. Okay. So, that was quite strange. I'm going to see if I can get it to come up. Sorry about my finger there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get it back into this position here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the control ports with a controller and see if the CPU is actually functioning, if it's this, if it's that. Let me get that hooked up and I'll be right back. Okay, so even with the controller hooked up, I still get nothing. I think this could be a CPU problem. Yeah, I'm getting nothing here. No response from the machine. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we've got one sick Nintendo here. It's really hard to replicate that, but once you get it, yeah, nothing. Well, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna check every pin on the CPU, PPU, and RAM. Check for voltage, see what's going on here, see if we're getting proper voltage. Okay. I wish I had some sockets. I would socket every chip and cannibalize a few from the other just to see if I can narrow down exactly what's going on here. I can't tell. Those are the proper colors, and it looks like it's trying to draw sprites. I don't know if that's a PPU issue or CPU. Well, I guess we'll find out. Okay, well, I just did a quick test here on the CPU and the PPU. PPU, CPU, ground, pin 40, on focus for me, pin 40, 5 volts, and it is. PPU, pin 40, 5 volts. So we do have 5 volts going here and here. And honestly, without spares to test, I kind of don't know what to do. I'm wondering if I should just use one of the other ones that I tested, one that's not in such great shape, and see if I can't figure out what's going on here. I mean, could it be a Loco chip issue? I mean, I can remove that, no problem there. Could it be a logic issue? I believe these are what control the controller ports. So we've got logic here and logic here. Yep, I think I'm going to order some sockets and take some parts from the other ones just to see if I can figure out what's going on. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, somebody can correct me in the comments below that the SRAM and the work RAM, different revisions have different sizes. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this, which it is, I believe there's two different sizes that can go in here for work RAM and video RAM. So I guess it really doesn't matter what I try. I don't know if the revision, I don't think the revision matters. This is a G revision, and so is this, I believe. Yes, or an O. No, I think they're both G revisions. I don't really see any real issues. Okay, I think that's where we're going to leave this.